Hey everybody, I was just driving down the road here and saw this train laid up. Spotted some nice artwork on it. Actually, I saw the other side first, but it's kind of hard to get to, and I think they just fired up the locomotives. It's going to start moving, so I'm not going to jump between cars to look at it. Once upon a time I would have, but let's see what we got going here. Oh, another, maybe it's not running. Another train's passing it on a different track. But that's a nice piece right there. Just J-N-K-O, J-N. I can't read it, but you see the little face, the little character in the dot, and 5-N-O-E, or S-N-O-E, it might be snow. That's from 2014 TMS. That's the crew that put it up. See what else we got going here. Next car down. Tag up there on the ladder. It's one of my favorite spots too. I call that the train equivalent of a floater. If you know what a floater is from the subway graffiti. Check out the hobo tag too. That's what you call a hobo tag. That slice of pizza right there. Usually guys that ride the trains will have a distinctive logo and put that up. These kind of pieces are more inspired by urban, subway art that originated in New York and Philadelphia in the 60s, 70s, and 80s. There's a tag up high up there on the door of this boxcar that says Rich. That's pretty cool. There he is again, Rich USA, lower on the door. Here somebody did their fill and then never outlined it. They might have had a run, maybe ran out of paint, but I'm guessing they, looks like one person might have went over somebody else, but neither one of them is filled. It might be both from the same artist, and they just didn't, for some reason they didn't finish it. I'm guessing they had a run, they probably got spotted. Rake, that's a tag. There's a hobo tag there on the door. Check out that guy, Big Dog, up there. That's kind of a cool moniker or logo there. Oh, we're rolling. We're rolling. Here's some kind of wild style. Not the cleanest thing I've ever seen, but it's hard to read. There's kind of a hokey piece right there. Also difficult to read with some bubbles. Bunch of oil cars, tanker cars coming down the line. Don't usually see the greatest work on those. They're hard to paint because they're round. You'll see a lot of tags on them. People just tagging their names and whatnot. I'm not going to walk the whole length of this thing, but cold, windy day out here. Just thought I'd stop and get a picture of these trains. Anyway, that's it. We'll see you guys around. God bless.